and we're going to fire right back into Scratch Live 2. And Nick is going to walk you through this as a DJ, as a performer, and he's going to record his set with Serato. But there's an interesting new feature inside the record functionality inside Scratch Live 2. Check it out.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is fire up mixtape. So if you're a Scratch Live user, it's very much the same. Click on the record panel. Instead of choosing mix, aux, or the pre-fader or post-fader sources, you choose .als, which is .Ableton Live set. Right?
So for all you Ableton users, and also for you Serato users, .als is Ableton Live set. It's your project file, and there's a very unique way that this has been incorporated into the bridge. So let's go ahead and just record a set in Serato. Keep in mind that we've already quit the application to live. We don't really need it right now. We're going to open it in just a second in a very cool way with a mixtape feature. So yeah, we'll just relaunch it. Take us right back where we were. Cool, cool, cool. So again, we're just in Serato, Scratch Live 2. He's going to record some decks. He's also going to work with the mixer, EQ, crossfader, obviously, volumes, aux sync. Cool. Just let you do your thing. 30 seconds or so. Deck A, deck B. Here we go. Cool. Again, Scratch Live 2 doing what it does best, working with a vinyl control on deck A and deck B. So we got like 20 seconds or so. He's just working with different MP3s. Great, crossfader, EQ, all this happening with the Rain TTM 57 SL. All right, I think that's long enough. So we'll stop recording. And now what's really cool is Nick's going to show you how we can go in, call up that file, name it, and do something very, very cool. I love this feature. This is awesome.
All right, let's do that. So I'm going to name it in Scratch Live and then call it Sunday Demo because, hey, it's Sunday, last demo.
Time for mimosas.
I'll save that and that gets put into my Scratch Live music folder. So that's in your home directory, your user account, and you got music, Scratch Live, and recordings.
Pretty straightforward.
So I'll reveal that and find that using the shortcut key Command R.
And now, again, a familiarity, especially for you live users. Now we can see the project file of Ableton Live. We see our samples. Now we'll take it a step further and actually relaunch, open up Live 8 directly from that file we just recorded inside Scratch Live 2.0 with the mixtape feature with the bridge. So walk us through now. We're looking at the arrangement view, and here's what's really cool. We now have a multi-track. Right? We have a multi-track arrangement of exactly what he just recorded for that 20-30 seconds, as well as some really, very, very cool. So just walk us through it and tell us what's going on.
From the top down, we've got the pre-fader audio from the left turntable. We've got, if we get in quite deep, you can see all the automation, everything I do with a crossfader.
The SB6 is in there too.
SB6 is in there, so if you're at a gig and you fire off that air horn one too many,
right?
And when you get home, get rid of it.
Yeah, it's sort of a problem. We're working on that issue with Nick. So yeah, for all you Scratch Live users, that SB6 is in there. And again, just to break it down, we've got the multi-track. It's literally a multi-track version of what you did, but there's a bonus on the bottom track.
You get all the crossfader automation as well.
Yep, and how about the orange clip there? That's the actual two-track mix.
That's the mix, so that's all the post-fader. That's everything you did anyway.
So if you want to keep it real, and you don't want to go in and you don't want to edit, you're fine with your performance, you've got that reference there as well. And run us through the automation a little bit.
Okay, so right at the bottom, that's the really exciting stuff. That's the all my crossfader movements were captured.
Yep, and we got our chooser window over here. They can take us to other features that we're using on the Rain mixer, for example. So EQ, gain, all that kind of stuff. So
sure, you can take a quick look at that. You can see here if I click on a track. So this is from program 2 from the right turntable. You can see all my EQ has been automated. My gain controls.
Ableton signifies that with just a red square there, lets you know that there's some automation activity. So a lot of flexibility for all you Scratch Live users, and there's a lot of you here right now. It sort of opens it up now. You see it. It's like, wow, I actually have a multi-track version of what I did, whether it was a quick performance for an opener to a show or a full night of recording. So it's really, really awesome. We call that mixtape. So we'll just run through the features one more time. We've got synchronization inside the bridge.
Exactly. So we've got the Ableton transport control. which is the first thing. That's giving a Scratch Live control of Ableton.
Right.
We've got the Ableton panel, so I can open up that and see my clips.
Right. And there, right now it's blank. Don't let that fool you. They're just empty clip slots. The same thing that you would see inside the Live 8 application.